Ever dreamt of hitting the open road and exploring some of the world's most epic routes? Well, you're not alone. Road trips are a quintessential part of the global travel experience. They represent freedom, adventure, and the thrill of the unexpected. You see, there's something uniquely enchanting about a road trip. It's not just about reaching the destination, but rather about the journey itself. Imagine cruising down an open highway, the rhythm of the road beneath your wheels, the landscape changing with every mile, and a world of possibilities unfolding in front of your eyes. Each turn can reveal a new surprise, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Whether it's an off-the-beaten-path diner serving the best pancakes you've ever tasted, a breathtaking vista that wasn't in your guidebook, or a chance encounter with a local who shares a slice of their world with you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most epic road trip routes in the world. Buckle up and get ready for an adventure. Kicking off our journey at number 5 is Australia's Great Ocean Road. This route is more than just a drive, it's a journey into the heart of a diverse and dramatic landscape. Stretching over 200 kilometers along Australia's southwest coastline, it presents a panorama of wavering cliffs, roaring seas, and lush rainforests. Among the iconic landmarks that punctuate this route is the 12 Apostles, limestone stacks rising majestically from the Southern Ocean. These solitary sentinels are a breathtaking sight to behold, especially at sunset when they're bathed in a golden glow. But it's not just the scenery that captivates travelers. This road trip also offers unique wildlife encounters. You might spot koalas lazing in the eucalyptus trees, kangaroos hopping across the fields, and whales breaching off the coast. Every twist and turn on the Great Ocean Road reveals a new spectacle, a new adventure. It's a journey that keeps you on the edge of your seat, constantly anticipating what lies around the next bend. A journey on the Great Ocean Road is nothing short of a visual feast, a true testament to Australia's wild beauty. At number 4, we find ourselves in the heart of Canada, traversing the Cabot Trail. This remarkable path carves its way through the verdant highlands of Nova Scotia, offering a symphony of nature's finest spectacles. As you embark on this journey, your senses will be enveloped by the majesty of the landscape. Picture towering mountain peaks reaching for the sky, their slopes draped in a lush carpet of evergreens. The Cabot Trail's contours hug the coastline, revealing expansive ocean vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. But the true magic of this road trip unfolds in the fall. During this season, the trail transforms into a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors. Every turn reveals a new splash of crimson, gold, and orange, as the autumn foliage reaches its peak. The Cabot Trail delivers an unforgettable journey through Canada's rugged wilderness, a road trip that will forever etch itself in your memory. Coming in at number 3, we journey across the United States on the iconic Route 66. This legendary highway, stretching over 2,000 miles from Chicago, Illinois to Santa Monica, California, is more than just a road. It's a historic pathway that tells the story of America's westward expansion. From the skyscrapers of Chicago, through the rolling plains of the Midwest, to the golden beaches of California, Route 66 weaves a tapestry of diverse landscapes. Along the way, you'll encounter remnants of the old world, from vintage motels and classic diners to roadside attractions that hark back to a simpler time. It's not just about the sights, but also the rich culture and heritage. You'll meet fascinating characters, hear enthralling stories, and experience firsthand the resilient spirit of America. Route 66, the main street of America, offers a nostalgic journey through the heart of the United States. Our second most epic road trip takes us to the land of fire and ice, Iceland's Ring Road. It's hard to encapsulate the sheer majesty of this route. As you traverse the island, you're treated to a cornucopia of awe-inspiring sights. Imagine driving through otherworldly lava fields, stark against the sky, only to stumble upon black sand beaches that redefine your understanding of natural beauty. As you continue, the landscape morphs, presenting you with towering glaciers and their icy splendor. The sight of these ancient, frozen titans is a humbling experience, reminding us of the grand scale of nature. The journey doesn't stop there. You'll also encounter geysers, nature's own fountains, shooting water high into the air, framed by the vibrant Icelandic sky. Each turn on this route is a new chapter in an unforgettable journey, a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of our world. The Ring Road, with its unparalleled natural wonders, presents a road trip experience that's out of this world. Finally, the most epic road trip route in the world, the crown jewel, Italy's Amalfi Coast. This 50-kilometer stretch of coastline is a symphony of sensory delights, where the azure Mediterranean Sea meets dramatic cliffs, and pastel-hued villages cling precariously to the mountainside. Every twist and turn of the road reveals breathtaking views, each more spectacular than the last. The sea sparkles below, a dazzling tapestry of blues and greens, while the scent of lemon groves and blooming bougainvillea fills the air. Journey along the coast, and you'll encounter charming cliffside villages, each with its unique allure. Positano, with its steep, narrow streets lined with boutiques and cafes, is a feast for the eyes. Amalfi, the town that gives the coast its name, is steeped in history and culture. Its grand cathedral, a stunning example of medieval architecture, stands sentinel over the bustling piazza. Ravello, perched high above the sea, offers a tranquil retreat. The town is renowned for its beautiful gardens and panoramic views that have inspired artists and musicians for centuries. And let's not forget the delightful village of Priano, a haven for those seeking peace and solitude. The Amalfi Coast is not just a visual feast, it's also a culinary paradise. Indulge in the region's gastronomic delights, from fresh seafood and sun-ripened tomatoes to creamy buffalo mozzarella and tangy limoncello. Each meal is a celebration of the region's abundant natural bounty. Immerse yourself in the region's rich history and culture. Discover ancient ruins, explore centuries-old churches, and marvel at the stunning architecture. Listen to the melodic cadence of the Italian language, feel the warmth of the people, and lose yourself in the vibrant rhythms of daily life. With its stunning beauty and captivating charm, the Amalfi Coast offers an unmatched road trip experience, truly the most epic journey one can embark on. So, when are you hitting the road?